Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel Chaosman. So today in this video I'm going to explain you that how you can create wireframe in Blender in seconds. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So my name is Onkar and you are watching YouTube channel Chaosman. So let's start the video friends, and I'm going to explain you that how you can create a wireframe in Blender in seconds. Okay, so first of all you have to go to this menu and click on it, and then you have to go to the studio option, and once you have clicked on the studio option, then you have to click on single, and then just click this option which is specular lights, so that all the specular lights will be off at this moment. And then you have to click on this option, and then you have to click on wireframe, so that you can see that we have created or we have generated the wireframe, and you can increase or decrease the wire counts by just sliding this slider or increasing the values. And if now you want to create the render, so just what you have to do, you have to click on these options. That what I am doing now. Just turn on all the options, and then just click on view and click on render image. Then you can see that we have created the wireframe render, and then just click on image and save it wherever you want. So now the most important step that I am going to explain you, that how you can change the color of this wire. That you can see here that the color of the wire is black. So now with this step you can change the color of the wire into any color like red, green or blue. To do that you have to click on the edit option, and then you have to go to the preferences, and then you need to go to the theme option, and then you have to click on the 3D viewport. And once you have clicked on the 3D viewport, there will be many options. So what you have to do is that you have to just click you have to see the wire option, which is the third option, and then just click on it. And if you want to change the color to red, then you can see the RGB channels, then just change it to red option. Or you want to change the color to blue, then just click on the green option. And if you want to change the color to blue, then just increase the blue option. So that in this manner you can see that you can now easily render the wireframe without any hassle. So if you want to now render it, like you want to render it in some animation, or you want to render it in target or PNG file, then just click on this, and then just click on the output option and select whatever output you want, or image sequence that you want, and then just click on the output option and select the path where you want to save your files. And once you have done this, then just click on the color depth, which should be 16, and then click on view option. And after that you have to just click on the viewport render animation. And once you have clicked on that, then all the output will be saved into your output folder. Now I am going to explain you that how you can render this output that you are seeing on the viewport as a sketch image. So to do that, you have to just go to the edit option, go to preferences, then again go to theme option, and again go to 3D viewport. And now let's change the wire color, which was blue, to black, so that here we can give the illusion of like it is in the sketch form or the sketch image. So now what you have to do, just scroll down, and here you can see the theme space. Just click on it. Again you have to scroll down and go to the gradient color option. Once you have clicked on that gradient color option, then you can see the first option, which is gradient high of option. Just click on it, And now what you have to do is that you have to roll this part to the top. Now you can see that here it is in the form of sketch images, and you can also do that. Just click on here, and if you want to increase the size, then you can increase the color, and then click so in this manner you can create the image in the sketch form So if you like the video, don't forget to press the like button, as well as if you want to be a part of this YouTube channel, do subscribe to this YouTube channel Trioswan, so that you will get more knowledge that how you can use these tricks in Blender and get the best output result in seconds. So thank you friends for watching the video till the end. So bye bye friends.